I was looking for a safe remote controlled boat to use in our pool. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. If you're looking for a remote controlled boat, you need to be careful because you could damage the liner in your pool, and this was my concern. So when I was looking for a remote controlled boat on the web, I found the Eachine E016F. It's a big number, but what's special about this remote control boat is that you get 3 in 1. You get a drone, a hovercraft on the ground or on the water. So that's amazing. So let me show you here first of all the parts that you get in this kit. Pricing, you have 3 versions with 1, 2 or 3 batteries. So in Canadian dollars they're 27, 32 or 37, or in US dollars $20, 24 and 28. I recommend that you get the version with 2 batteries because when you go fast on the water, for example, it will last between 5 and 7 minutes. So get the version with 2 batteries. So in the box you get the drone, as you can see here. And what's special about the drone is that you can rotate the back. This is the key here, and that makes a hovercraft. So I'll show that to you in a second. And you get here the base, which is a light styrofoam. And this is the little remote control. So the remote control has speed modes over here, so you can make it slower for beginners. Your flips over here, and of course the joysticks. And here you have your mode button over here. So you have 3 modes, like I said. So fly on the ground or on the water. So in the kit you get also this little cardboard here that is kind of a reminder of what the controls do. The batteries, you get a little screwdriver, a USB charger, and there is a little addendum card here, additional information as to how to install the drone on the platform, on the base, and you have also quite a very good manual actually. So like I was saying, you can rotate this here, and then let me put this away. You take the base and you just push this here right in the center, and it will click in place like so. So this is your hovercraft. This is impressive for the price. As you will see in a second, it's a lot of fun. Let's have a look first as using this as a drone. So as you can see here, my son, believe it or not, is flying the drone for the very first time. This is the first time that we flew the drone, just to show you how easy it is. Well, actually, you know that when you fly a small drone, typically it's a bit more difficult to fly than a big drone because of the physics, and small drones are very responsive. So as you can see here, my son is learning to drive, not to drive, but to fly, and you can do some flips, like I said. And within 2 minutes of practice, he was able to fly, as you can see here, very stable, which is quite impressive for this little machine. Now, like I said, this works also on the ground. I should say on the floor because the surface has to be smooth. It's a hovercraft, so don't expect this to work on carpet or on the grass outside. So it has to be like a flat surface, as you can see here. We are on laminated floor, and it's a bit noisy, as you can see. Normal, you have 4 props turning at high speed, but it's fun as a hovercraft. And the third mode is on water. So let's go outside and let's try this on the pool. Now, as you can see here, it handles small waves quite well, but I would not use this at a lake, especially when it's windy and you have like bigger waves, because remember, the base is styrofoam, so it's very, very light, and you can't operate this if it's very windy outside. In the pool though, no problem. So as you can see, it works very well on the water, and the edges, of course, is all styrofoam, so there's no way that you are going to damage the liner of your pool with this little gizmo here. So very, very nice. I mean, for the price, like I said, like the version with 2 batteries is $32 Canadian or $24 US. The Eachine E016F, highly recommended. As you can see here, I got my box from China, a little bit damaged, but fortunately with the plastic insert, it came in good condition. And you can see they show on the side here a picture. I'm trying to show that here. They show a picture of the 3 modes of operation: air, ground, and water. So highly recommended. Like you saw, lots of fun for the price. Get the version with 2 batteries. I think it's the best purchase. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day. Goodbye, guys.